will show you how to solve a linear function problem with different ways. Or in other words, you can represent a linear function in different ways. Okay, so the problem we have today, Bentley signed up for a streaming music service that costs $13 per month. The service allows Bentley to listen to unlimited music. But if he wants to download songs for offline listening, the service charges 75 cents per song. How much total money would Bentley have to pay in a month in which he downloaded 10 songs? How much would he have to pay if he downloaded S songs? Okay? Alright, so first of all, we take care of one problem at a time. So I will take care of the first part, which is how much total money would Bentley have to pay in month which he downloaded 10 songs. Okay, so first of all, I try to gather all the information I know. So I'll call it brainstorm information. So at first I brainstorm the info I know. Okay, so what I know is $13 per month. What else do we know? We know that for each song, each song he wants to download offline listening, the service charge 75 cents per song. So we have 75 cents per song. So that means it doesn't matter how many songs you download, you still have to pay the $13. Okay, so that's all we know so far. And then the question is, how much does it have to pay? So we get to the question part. Okay, and then question is 10 songs equals how much? Alright, so the first way personally, I think this way is the easiest way for me to approach the problem is doing table. So I start with table first. So first I work on table. So if I make a table, I will figure it out doing column. So then I will have a number of songs and the total I have to pay per month, or total in a month that I have to pay. So let's start with 0 song. If he doesn't download any song, then how much do you have to pay? Yes, $13 per month, no matter what. So the $13 per month is still there. And then if he download 1 song, so 1 song cost him 75 cents. But don't forget the $13 every month he has to pay. So the total will be 13 plus 75 cents, and its total is $13.75. Okay, so then I will make a note to myself. This one right here come from 0.75 times 1. Maybe move it a little bit to this side. Okay, so now what if he download 2 songs? So then one song cost him $75. Two songs will be 75 cents times 2. Okay. So then that means the total will be 13 plus the cost of 75 times 2. So basically this is not a good way to write it, so maybe I should include it in here. So times 1 right here equals $13.75, and this one give me 14.50. So keep in mind this number right here, 1 right here, 2 is right here. Okay, and keep going with this. So then 3, I have 13 plus 75 cents and times 3 songs plus that, so I get $15.25. Okay, and so on. I have number 4 and 13 plus, and at this time you guys should know the pattern that I take 75 cents times 4 and then add up with the monthly payment, which is $13. So the total will be $16. Okay. All right. And then we should keep in mind these number right here. And we keep doing that. So if we keep doing that, I'll let you work on 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But I will jump all the way to 10 right here because I don't have enough space anymore. So if I jump to 10, I have 13 plus 75, and then times 10 is give me $20.50. Okay, and yes, I know that because I see the pattern. So then the number of songs right here, I multiply with 0.75 every time, and don't forget to add with the $13 charged per month. Okay, so my answer for how much total money would Bentley have to pay in a month in which he downloaded 10 songs is $20.50. That's the answer. So now the next question is, how much would he have to pay if he downloaded S songs? So S right here means any song, like any number. So it can be 20 songs or 30 songs or 50 songs. But we need to figure it out the formula for this problem. So luckily we did the table so we can see the pattern so far. So then if you recognize, and I'm pretty sure a few of you guys already recognize the pattern. So then if we call the number of song now is S. So S right here. And we can call the total can be T So then if we look at the total in the month column, what number didn't change at all? Which is 13, yes. So number 13 didn't change all time. Okay, so I will write 13 here. And then plus, what else didn't change at all time? Yes, 75 cents. And now the number that changed is a number highlighted. But where do these numbers come from? It's from the number of songs. So therefore, what we have to think about what variable represent for number of songs, which is S. So therefore we can replace these number right here by variable S. My S is really bad. It should be S right here. So then now we have the monthly charge plus the number of songs times $75 per song equals to what? What we found right here is the total. And what variable represent for the total in a month, which is T. So we just found the formula for this problem, which is 13 plus 75 cents or 0.75 times S equals to the total, which is T. Okay. And then when we have the formula, we can double check it by plug 10 into this, and we should get the total as $20.50. All right, now move on. The next method we can use. So this is the table method. This table method. Okay, next method we can use is graph. So this graph method. Okay. So then for graph method, since we already did the table, we can base on it too. But what if we didn't have the table yet? We can call the x-axis as the number of songs, and the y-axis is the total money in a month. Okay. Actually, this graph doesn't help that much. I need to because we need $13, but this just the maximum just 10, so I will remove this one and then make a new graph. Oops. So you can create new graph here. And it may not be accurate as much as when you work on a paper. We will estimate it. So this 0, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then for the y, we can go by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. Alright, so we can start sketching it. So at 0 songs, and I need to label this not X, but it will be S, stand for number of songs. And instead of Y, I will have this is T, which is total in a month. Okay, so then at when he didn't download any song, he still need to pay $13. Just right here, it's 13 between 12 and 14. And when he download one song, now he need to pay 75 cents on top of $13. So this will be $13.75. Let's go up a little bit, very close. And then when he downloaded 2 songs, the cost will be 75 more compared to last time. So then it will be $14.50. Okay, 50 cents. Okay, so pattern should go like this. Of course, not accurate like what I want, but I just estimated. And then when I have about 2 or 3 points already, and if I do it right on paper, they all should line up, and I can figure it out the cost of 10 songs easily on the graph by looking for 10 songs right here, looking for a point, and then I will look at, let's go right here. So then the cost is right here, which is up 20 and 50 cents. Of course, on my graph is not accurate enough because I don't have any grid, but if you do it on paper, you should get $20.50 on your graph. Okay, so hopefully this video help you understand how to represent a linear function problem in different way, and also how to solve it using different ways.